Meharĩria ma Kenya maguthagania mashindano mathi ma mahenya ma ngaari nimo WRC Safari Rally ni mahũrĩtwo njeki thutha wa kwamũkĩra mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 48.5 kuma kũrĩ kambuni ya gũthondeka ngaari ya Sefao Mobility Kenya. Thengia wa gũtiriha mĩhang'o ĩno, Sefao Mobility Kenya nĩ thiĩte na mbere na kũhũra njeki ũkũria wa mũthako ũyũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na njĩra ya gũkũria matereba a gwĩthegea na a gatagatĩ ka mĩaka 12 na 17 makiria kuma kuria matũra-inĩ. Kambuni ĩno oho nĩ hotete gũthondeka ngaari cia mũthemba wa prototype cross car iria nĩ imwe irĩkĩtie gũthondekwo wa mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 3.7.
Yeah, last year was my first time doing the Safari Rally. Really exciting. It's more like an adventure compared to some of the rallies, and a really unique event. So was happy to do it, and to be I was 4th last year, so it was actually the result was still.
Last year was quite close in the end, but of course the weakest point of the season for us was the mid-season, specifically the dry gravel rally. So definitely looking to improve in those areas, but of course it's a long championship. We need to keep a similar level of performance, but of course find some key events where maybe we didn't perform as well last year to look for improvement.
We actually continue giving a lot of transport support to the Safari Rally team in Kenya, as well as a lot of the other materials, and we are proud to be associated in sponsoring the WRC Kenya because it brings in a lot of visibility for us.